How to use InVideo AI to make animation.
To make animations using InVideo AI, begin by clicking on Create New Video
And choosing the AI script to video option. This feature allows you to enter your own text or story idea, which InVideo AI will convert into an animated video.
Paste your animation script or idea into the text box. InVideo AI will process the script and automatically create a storyboard with relevant animated visuals.
Text transitions and scene layouts. Select a template that suits your video theme, whether it's for kids, education, marketing, or storytelling. Choose an AI voice that fits the tone of the animation.
Fun and energetic voices work great for kids' content, while calm or dramatic voices suit educational or storytelling videos. Adjust the speed, tone, and pitch if necessary.
You can add elements such as animated icons,
emojis, background music, and overlays.
Make use of transitions to keep the video engaging.
Use the preview feature to see how the final video looks.
Make edits to the timing, visuals, or script if needed. This method helps you create animated videos
without needing animation skills or complex software.
Link to InVideo AI is in the description.